People think Ukrainian is totally inaccessible, but I'm here to show you it's really not. Here are 3 words.
Кафе, ресторан, готель.
Say them after Oksana.
Кафе, ресторан, готель.
Can you remember them?
Кафе, ресторан, готель.
Ukrainian doesn't use a and the like English, so a hotel is
Готель.
and the hotel is.
Готель.
So how do you say a restaurant?
Ресторан.
And the restaurant?
Ресторан.
How do you say a cafe?
Кафе.
Good.
Добре.
The word for where is
Де?
like the English word day. Where is the cafe?
Де кафе? Де кафе?
So how would you say where is the hotel?
Де готель? Де готель?
Where is the restaurant?
Де ресторан?
Good.
Добре.
Now, the word for here is
Тут.
тут. In English, we would say the hotel is here. In Ukrainian, we only need hotel here.
Готель тут. Готель тут.
Dobre.
Добре.
It's really not too inaccessible, is it? And the word for tourist is
Туристка.
for me, a female, and a man is.
Турист.
Ukrainian is actually more simple and direct. So I is the simple word.
Я.
Try that.
Я.
In English, we can say I am a tourist. In Ukrainian, just say I tourist. What would that be for a woman?
Я туристка.
How do you say I'm a tourist if you're a man?
Я турист. Я турист.
Do you remember the word for here?
Тут.
Here is.
Тут.
So how do you say I'm a tourist here if you're a woman?
Я туристка тут. Дуже добре.
What about the word for where?
Де? Добре.
So you could say where is the cafe in Ukrainian?
Де кафе?
And you can say I'm a tourist here.
Я туристка тут.
Or,
Я турист тут.
so you can say I'm a tourist here, where is the cafe?
Я туристка тут. Де кафе?
Or, if you're a man,
Я турист тут. Де кафе?
thank you is.
Дякую.
Say thank you, take out the N, thank you, make ak into akuyu, thakuyu, make tha into ja.
Дякую. Дякую. Добре. Дякую.
One more time.
Дякую.
Let's learn please, which is
Будь ласка.
what is bud? It's a type of beer, right? Let's not say bud though, let's say
Будь.
the second part is
Ласка.
an easy sound. Lots of people like cold beer, so think of cold Alaska in the north of America, Bud Alaska.
Будь ласка.
Now try saying, I'm a tourist here, where's a hotel?
Я турист тут. Де готель?
Can you say, I'm a tourist here, where's a restaurant? But this time with please at the end.
Я турист тут. Де ресторан? Будь ласка.
Добре. Can you say the restaurant is here?
Ресторан тут.
Добре. And your last word today is thank you.
Дякую. Дуже добре. Дякую.
Now you see Ukrainian's not impossible. You might consider learning more, and together we can offer our friendship through language. Copy the words from the video description. Я Ruth.
Я Оксана. Дякую. Бувай.
Бувай.